Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide followers on Instagram. So to start, open Instagram app, then go to your profile. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. So once you're on settings and activity, scroll down and tap account privacy. Once you tap account privacy, so now turn on the private account option. So switch to private account. You can read all of this information and tap switch to private to confirm the action.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So you can review your followers. Now, once your account is private, people who aren't approved followers won't be able to view your followers or following list. So only people you accept as followers will have access to that information. And that's how you can hide your followers on Instagram by switching your account to private. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.